Game. Palabay. Naagawan.
Depensa. Walking violation.
Turnover. Violet ball.
Gitna, ito.
Brad, nagawan uli.
Good.
Nabitawan. Nakuha ni Brad Jaime. To Brad Hernando. Block. 2 points for number 16.
Two points.
Ano na-shoot yun? Hindi ko nakita. Oop! Same ball. Wala pa pumasok dito? Three points? Oh, 3 points daw.
Good.
Payatas. 3 points. Oop. Number 21, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 44. Turnover. Naagaw ang bola. Brad.
Good yan.
Brad Jaime. Drives. Dalawang isip. Pass to Hernando.
Good.
Hernando pa rin. Fake. Wala. Black ball. To number 35. Yes, 2 points for number 35. 39 ba? 39 nga. Number 24. Yes! Nice layup. By Brad Jaime. Number 21, jump shot. No good. Brad Jaime. Pass to Brad, number 11. To Hernando. Back to Brad Jaime. 3-second violation.
3 seconds.
$39 to number 11 for 3. Sablay. Rebound by number 16. Fast break to number 24. Foul. Number 11. First personal foul.
Shooting foul.
Sablay ang unang free throw.
Last throw.
For Brad Jaime. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Uy! Nice. Offensive rebound by number 23. Oh, turnover. Violet ball. Nagmamadali ang Violet. Fast break to Brad Jaime for 3. Line ball. 6 minutes. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Natitirang oras. Sunog na yung kanin. Sunog na po yung kanin.
Number 16.
Shout out kay Brad Atico, manatili ka. Diyan, manatili ka lang diyan. Rebound by Brad Hernando. To Brad Darwin. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Hop, nabitawan. Number 39, jump shot. 2 points for number 39. Score 7-6. Labang ang Payatas B. Number 16. Dribbling the ball.
3 seconds, 3 seconds.
3-second violation. 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Number 11, layup, yes! 2 points, number 11. Brad EJ,
Good, good,
tumalon,
good.
wala.
Good.
Rebound, nakuha ng black ball. Jump shot, yes! 2 points for black ball. 3 points!
Stress.
Brad Louie. $39 to number 23, 21. Brad Jaime. Nagmamadali. Brad Jaime pa rin.
Kamay.
Drives to Brad Louie for 3. Wala. Rebound by Brad Jaime. Wala. Fast break. Nakuha ni number 11 to Brad EJ. To Brad Louie. "12 seconds shot clock.
Kamay.
10.
Lane ball. Paa mo. Yung paa mo nasa kanya.
Line ball. Sabi ni rep.
Good.
Drives. 39, wala. Fast break to Brad Jaime. For 2, wala. Number 21, drives. 21 pa rin, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Brad Louie. To Brad Jaime. For 2 points. Wala. Black ball. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Time remaining. Traveling.
Good yan. Brad, good yan.
Brad Jaime for layup. 2 points. For Palabay. Last 2 minutes. 39. Number 21, wala. Brad Louie, nagmamadali. Louie pa rin. Pass to Brad Darwin for 2. Yes! 2 points for number 11. Up.
Walang.
Foul.
Walang.
Rep foul ba yun? Number 11 foul. Inbound number 8. To number 21. Back to number 8. Ang ganda ng pasahan nila. 13 all. Naku po.
Coach, good yan.
Black ball.
Good yan.
Traveling.
Dribble
Last
na,
1 minute. Last 1 minute. Hernando. To Brad Jaime. Yes, 2 points for Brad Jaime. 40 seconds. Time remaining, 40 seconds. Oh!
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Number 11. 28 seconds. 24 seconds. Brad Jaime. Layup. Wala. Rebound by number 11. 12. Nice shot by number 39. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Pasok.
Hello. 17-15 in favor of Southville.
Maya tayo. Tuloy. Kanino pong bola? Kaninong bola po?
Sige lang Brad, pasok lang.
Inyong ball. Okay, good job, good job.
Steal by Brad Hernando. Naagawan din. Number 21. To number 16 for 2. Wala. Rebound by Brad Hernando. Three points. Wala.
Good job, good. May referee.
16 drives. For the layup. Wala.
Good.
Naagaw. Number
Good.
16. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 12 for 2. Wala.
Wala, puro papogi. Wala.
Muli pa rin.
Good yan, good.
Wala. Number 11. Pass break.
Ano ba yun?
Naagaw.
Good.
Brad EJ to number 16. Tuloy-tuloy for the layup. Yes! Nice shot by number 16.
Time out, Southville.
Time out,
Pahinga.
Southville.
Wala, puro papogi ng sipate. Tira mo na pagka gano'n. Huwag mo nang sayangin yung pagkakataon. Wala, kabado pag liga. Pag may ano. Fernan, anong oras na po? Game tayo, game. Bola. Time out, Southville lang nag-time out. Hindi, baba lang. Ipapasa niyo yung ball. Hindi naman shooting ball eh. Good yan.
2 points for number 39. 21-17. Layup number 16. Yes. Ang hirap naman pala nito. Ang daming pipindutin.
Puro dribble. Ano gagawin mo? Pagod ka lang yan. Good yan! Wala akong pito! Good yan! Good! Up! Lucky foul. 13. Number 13. Labas mo! Lumabas ka! Same ball. Number 16 yung touchdown. Good yan.
10 seconds. 9. 7 seconds. 6. Foul.
Pangalawa free throw.
3 minutes, 50 seconds. Three minutes, 50 seconds.
Last row.
Second quarter.
Good.
Jump ball.
Aro lang tayo, aro. Kanino mabola kanina? Southville na ngayon.
Bilis!
Good. Good yan.
Ha? Oo. 3 points?
Good yan. Good. Wala. Hey, wala.
One minute, 30 seconds. 33-24, favor of Southville.
Tumama na sa screen.
1 minute, 5 seconds. 10 second shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 50 seconds.
Good yan.
.9 seconds.
Balik palit kayo mamaya.
Di ba plus?
Palit kayo, palit. Palit kayo, palit kayo. Palit kayo, Brad.
35
Last row.
seconds. Apat.
Last row.
Uy. Shoot. Shoot ba daw?
Hey, Os! Labas mo!
19, 18 seconds, 17, 16, 15. Oo. 2 points. Hindi. Bilangin na lang natin mamaya. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Shooting foul, shooting. Hey, wala, wala. Afro. Pahinga, third quarter. Third quarter na, third quarter. Pahinga lang konti, konti lang. 10 sec, mga 30 seconds. Ang liliit ng mga kalaban nyo, natalo kayo.
Ano tol? Right click mo tol. Hindi, ito. Expanders. Right click. Next period. Yes.
Change court na, change court na. Change court tayo ah.
Change court, change court, change court.
Change court. Go. Good yan, good yan.
11 seconds shot clock.
Good, good, good. Good yan, good yan, good. Wala. Yung, bro. Hey! Come on.
10 seconds shot clock. Brad AJ.
Eight seconds. Hey! Boss, paabot ng bola, boss. Bossing. Hey. Good dyan. Good. Wala.
Forty-two, 37, 5 minutes. Time remaining. Two points. Twelve to shoot. 10. Tres.
Alam na mo. Good dyan, sige. Good dyan, Tol, good dyan. 3 minutes. Dead ball.
Hindi pa. 2 points. Three minutes. Nagdagdag. Time out. Southville. Wala ka tubig yan? Nauuhaw na yung referee. Dar, bila ba ako tubig, Dar? May pera ako. Wala akong barya pala. Nasa, ano? May barya ba kayo dyan? Kahit as water lang? Paunawaw na ako. Game! Hey! Ganito! Coach, good yan! Good! Sus! Ang lambot ng pasa para walang kain. Tres. Dos. Sige po, mamaya na nag-pito pa ako. Pag time out na inom ako. Tres.
Oras, 1 minute.
Tres.
1 minute. Time remaining 1 minute.
Pasa, puro dribble. Sus! Wala talaga.
50 seconds.
Sure pass kayo. Huwag kayong tinatawa na kayo ng maliliit.
$35.
Good yan! Wala akong pito.
20 seconds.
18 seconds. 12. 10. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Fourth quarter na, fourth quarter. Ayun pala. Fourth quarter, fourth quarter. Game. Southville. Southville. Oo. Hey, payatas. Tol. Mamaya na yan. Hey. Wala na oras. Okay, ako bahala. Diyan ka lang. Okay, good yan. Time out. Southville, time out. Southville.
Time out, Southville.
Kaya niyo yan. Pito lang yan. Pito lang. Tayo yung tubig ko.
59-53. Lamang yung 59. Lamang yung 8 minutes. Time remaining 8 minutes 16 seconds. 59-53. Lamang po ang Southville.
Game.
8 seconds. 5 seconds. For 3. Two points. Payatas B.
2 points. 2 points yun ha. Wala. Go lang. Pag walang tawag, go. Sige. Good yun ha. 2 points na. Tol, ano nangyari? Yan. Yes! Wala na bumababa. Wala na. Wala ka pang anak, pagod ka na. Hey. Wala. Ako dyan. Hey, dos. Nakuti mo kasi yung bola mo pag rebound. Di mo makuha yung rebound eh. Bate! Para kabayo eh. Para kabayo. Hindi nakakita nakakampi. Ano? Kabayo ka, bate? Ito, nauna na sa'yo. Para kang kabayo eh.
Time remaining. 4 minutes, 55 seconds.
Good. Dos. Good yan. Good yan.
Time remaining 4 minutes, 25 seconds. 12 to shoot.
Good yan.
4 minutes.
Good yan. Running time yan.
No.
Good yan.
2 points.
2 points.
Southfield. 3 minutes. 45.
3 points.
3 points. Mayata.
3 points. Tres yan, tres.
Time remaining 3 minutes, 25 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Good yan.
Hawak. 24.
3 seconds.
Time out.
Time out daw. Time out.
May
Time out,
dalawa na
Southfield.
time out nyo, ang dalawa naman tayo mag-set per quarter. Tatlo, may isa po kayo. Last time out nyo na.
$71-65.
71-65.
Last 3
71-65.
minutes and 8
minutes.
seconds.
Hey. Ito. Bro. Bro. Kamay. Di pa lang. Dos lang. Eh, bigay. Good yan. Ayun. 3 seconds. Kanina ka pa, oh. 3 seconds ka doon, tol. Kanina ka pa doon.
3-second violation. Two minutes, 25. Last 2 minutes.
Good yan.
1 minute, 50 seconds. $15 seconds to shoot. 12.
Good yan. Wala akong pito. Good yan.
One minute, 15 seconds. 12 to shoot.
Good yan. Hindi ba kayo ko eh.
Last 1 minute.
Oh. Running time. Good yan. Shot clock.
15.
Kamay. Same ball.
10 seconds to shoot.
Kamay.
35 seconds.
30 seconds. Shot clock.
25 seconds. $21.2. 73-71.
Dalawa. Free throw.
14 lang.
Hey, marami kayo dyan. Last throw.
16, 15, 14, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
3 seconds,
Foul.
3 seconds.
1.8 seconds.
May 3 seconds pa. Penalty na ba? Penalty
1.8.
Ah,
Penalty
free throw,
na.
free throw.
One point eight.
Ah. Last row.
Time out. Payatas B.
3 seconds yan.
1.8 seconds.
Hey, wala. Hey, may 3 seconds pa. Ano ba nga, nawawala ka na ba sa sarili mo? One meter lang. 1 meter, 1 meter. Hey! 1 meter lang. Hey, kumaras.
Final score, 74-71.
Apo, salamat sa Diyos. Salamat sa Diyos. Oo nga eh. Wala yung mga kakampi mo, hindi masyadong sanay sa may liga. Nagkakanuwalaan eh. Yung mga rebound mo ba? Simple, ganunin mo na lang. Bakit? Tatlong rebound siguro yun na laging nawawala sa kanya. Mali kasi yung mo, huwag mo kasing dakot na gano'n. Simplihan mo lang ng gano'n. Ibang klase yung rebound mo, parang rebound na Sa kanya na yung bola nawawala pa sa kanya. Siya tayo, picture. Yan, nakadikit naman kayo eh. Anong problema yun? Ay.
yung nito, di ba? May bulsa ka ba? Wala.
magnet. Kasi magnet,